All right, Roadside RC, this is Troy. We are here today with our Savox SC1251MG. Now what we're noticing with this servo, we've had it for a while, we bought it used, and we've had it for a while in our drift cars. It has wiggle here, so even with the servo horn attached snugly, it's been snugged in on the sides, and nothing moving, it has wiggle in it, some play. And so today we are throwing the Savox rebuild kit at it. So we're going to take this thing apart, we're going to put all these new gears and everything in it, new gears and new pins, and see if it takes out some of that play that we have. Alright, so look at this. We've rebuilt it, and now no play. What? Look at that. It is a lot better. Yes. Awesome.